3 ways to cover any tattoo. Oops, that casting you would be a really good fit for doesn't allow any body ink and you have a very visible tattoo. What to do? Try covering it up, of course. It's very possible no one will ever notice if you select the right products and apply them just so. However, proper preparation is key, and it may take more than one trail run to pull it off. Here's the first way to cover any tattoo. First, make sure you can actually cover up the tattoo and it's not going to be too hard to do. Whether or not this is possible has a lot to do with the size, color, and location. While it may be easy to apply the right amount of makeup to your ankle to mask the ink, it may not be so easy to do away with an entire arm sleeve. You'll have to use your best judgment and proceed accordingly. Here is the second way to cover any tattoo. If the tattoo size is small enough to conceal with makeup, do a trial run. Pick up some long-lasting cover in your skin tone and apply before you head to your appointment. Sometimes you'll need a blend of 2 or more tones to make it look just right. Adding powder atop the cream will help seal it in. If you don't select just the right products, however, they can rub off or your skin may look bruised, which will only draw more attention to the area. You'll want to practice applying any products before the big day to make sure you get the routine down pat. Clean the tattoo with a gentle body wash and pat dry. Then, add a makeup primer to help ensure the tint is securely locked into place. As strange as it may seem, you'll want to apply an orange tint first to neutralize the color. Then trace the outer edges of the tat with a concealer and let it dry. Here's the third way to cover any tattoo. After you've prepped the area and neutralized the tone, choose a foundation that closely matches your skin. Again, you may have to blend together more than one for the best results. Apply in the center and pat to the outer edge, ensuring an even result. Then, let the area dry. Pat a powder on top to seal in the foundation. You can also pick up a makeup finishing spray that is designed to keep colors in place. This will pull double duty in sealing the look. If done properly, you will still be able to apply for the gig you've been eyeballing and pull it off should you get booked. Test out the results of this routine in advance to see if you can spot the cover-up attempt and determine how long it will stick before the makeup begins to wear off. Take some time on the big day to follow the same process so your tattoo is properly covered, and worry more about your performance than your appearance. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.